Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Over here, what you see is a hood exhaust system inside of a commercial kitchen. Now, all of these hood systems, we can help with design and manufacturing. Because everybody have a different location and the building structure is different. This is why all of these pipes has to be custom made. When designing a hood exhaust system for a hotel project, there's many things we have to consider, including the height of the building, if you are able to install this pipe, do we have enough space? And then we also have to calculate where is the entrance point and where is the exit point. This way, we can make sure that the exhaust system can directly put out the air into the open. In every turn of this system, actually, the wind power will lose some of its force because the wind is bumping into the corner of the pipe. That is why we need to calculate according to how many turns are we planning to make. We need to calculate how big of a fan we actually need. The exhaust hood system is very important inside of a kitchen. It makes sure that the chef is cooking in a safe environment, and it also makes sure that all the oil and the harmful gas is being taken to the outside. If there's any leakage inside of these pipes, that might cause a problem. If the float of the whole system is not logical, then it might have a lot of contaminants and a lot of oil left inside of this system right here. This way, there will be a maintenance team required to clean the pipes very often. So it's very important to plan out the exhaust system ahead of time before installing the whole kitchen. At INEO, not only do we provide custom-made services for these exhaust pipes, but we also do is we can help with installation as well. Up to now, we have sent multiple teams into different countries to install our exhaust hood system, and we'll be doing more and more projects like this. This set of hood system is for Tanzanian project, and later on, we'll go on site to install this hood exhaust system for them as well. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.